Hello guys, Darse Nizami application is basically designed for the Islamic books and for people who just want to check the application online or any book online and they need some reference or something. So first, when you open the application, so no books found because this is your library and currently no books in your library. So first you have to tap on the bottom plus button. All books are shown right now. These books are available currently in this application, and time to time it will increase. If any book it's not available in the list, so you just have to write me an email address is mentioned in the app description, that is naveedapps at gmail.com, right? So you guys just have to send me an email and I will check if the book is available, so I will add and then the book will be available in this list. So currently I am going to check for the Jamal al Quran, right? So now this book, I needed this book, so I just selected and just done, but click done button. So now this book is added to my home page where all my other books will be shown. So right now this book is not downloaded, so a download button is right now showing on the right side of the application. So I just click on that and it will check the download is working or not. In some countries the archive.org website is not working, so then the application will tell you. Then the people have to use the VPN like virtual private network or proxy for that. So in currently right now the book is available, so I'm just clicking on a download button. So it depends on the speed and also on the uh, downloading things. So the download is started. In my country there's very slow internet connection, so therefore it is getting time, but I hope in your country application will be fast and this will not get too much of time because it's just 3.9 MB, so it will be downloaded in 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So till the downloads complete, I just want to tell you that uh, as I said that you can request for any book which are a part of the Islamic books or something. So just you have to write an email to me, and if you have some any issue with this application, you can just directly write to me and I will respond in a day or two, right? And also the my LinkedIn address, link is also mentioned in the app description, so you guys can directly communicate with me if you have any concerns, any issues or something. If you have any ideas related to this application, you can just write to me. Guys, sorry for the delay. As I said that in my country this is too slow internet connection, so therefore uh, it's getting time to downloading the book. And once it will be downloaded, so then you don't need any internet connection to use this application. You can just have to open the application and you can use the book offline. Right now the book has been downloaded and added. You can add another book. I just, as I said, that you have to tap on the download button and then everything will be done. So right now the Jamal Quran is being downloaded. So delete, you can delete this by clicking on that button, but I just want to open it. So Jamal Quran is open right now. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can just long tap on it, and then a magnifier will be shown. So the people who have some eyesight problem, they can view and they can check the books by this magnifier pack. So guys, just give me a good reviews, a good rating if you like the application. If you have any concerns, you can directly email me right now. So I have to just need your blessings, your prayers, everything. So inshallah, hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.